Whenever I'm disassembling something and end up with a lot of small parts like this, I get a little bit concerned as to whether or not I'm actually going to be able to get it back together. Now, one thing that helps me is to organize these pieces as I take them apart, and that means putting them in the proper order and labeling them. This is a technique I've come up with that's helped me a lot. I start with a scrap piece of melamine shelving. Next, I apply strips of pressure-sensitive magnetic tape. And trim off the excess with a utility knife. When I'm disassembling something, I lay the screws, bolts, washers, springs, whatever, on the magnetic tape and label them as to where they go. Now, my parts are organized, they're labeled, and if this gets tipped, they're not going to go anywhere. And the real nice thing is, when I'm finished, all I have to do is take a little cleaner, wipe this off, and it's ready for the next project.